Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Forza Horizon 6 game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Forza Horizon 6 game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on Forza Horizon 6 game and then click on properties. Then go to the controller tab and from here select first disable Steam input and then just restart the Forza Horizon 6 game and then check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then again go to Forza Horizon 6 game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again restart the Forza Horizon 6 game and then check if the controller or gamepad is working or not. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus Enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus Enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. And then check if the controller is working or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals devices. So other peripheral devices on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controllers, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral devices and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So please check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you are using a wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly or not. If you are using a wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different systems to identify the issue. Now, if you are using a wireless controller and if your wireless controller is not working, and if you have wired controller, then you can connect the wired controller to play the game as of now because the game might have some bugs or glitches at present. So try wired controller and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve controller or gamepad not working in Forza Horizon 6 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.